Manuri from Plus One Non-Medical. Today I am standing in front of you in declamation competition for giving a speech from School of Eminence Leharagaga. And today's my topic is where there is a will, there is a way. So let's start. Where there is a will, there is a way is the one of the most commonly used proverb today. This proverb has lots of the meaning when we come to think of it. Its essential meaning is that when we set up our mind to do something, then we can done it easily. In the other words, it shows us the importance of hard work and how it can bring a change in someone's life. Willpower is the desire to do something, and if we have the willpower to do something, then nothing can stop us from doing so. It is equally applicable in almost all aspects of life. Similarly, it holds the importance in various ways. Like we take the example of a short movie. Recently a movie came out named 12th Fail. I think that all of us watched this movie. It is very inspirational and motivational movie. In this, a boy belongs to a very poor family. He is 12th Fail also. He wants to become an IPS officer, but he didn't know anything about UPSC. He worked as a toilet sweeper, in library and in floor mill. He worked at least 15 hours, studied 6 hours and slept 3 hours only in Delhi. He fails 3 times to clear UPSC exam, but he has a determination and willpower to do something. And at last or at 4th chance, he clears interview also and became an IPS officer. This makes the line true that where there is a will, there is a way. Am I right?
Yes.
This proverb is quite important to help the people in to push their limits and achieve their goal. Moreover, it proves the meaning of hard work and willpower. In the other words, people who are willing to take the risk, no matter of cost, will successfully achieve their goal. If we are just dream about something and do nothing for it, then we surely fail and become incompetent. Moreover, this line, where there is a will, there is a way, it teaches us to be quite focused and hard work and proves us that people who follow this proverb reached at the great heights in their life. History is proof of that. Firstly, we take the example of Mahatma Gandhi ji. This legendary figure is the great example of this proverb. Gandhi ji fought against the British rule to make the India free, and he did so. What made this possible? His great willpower and great efforts. Next up, we see the same iron will in Martin Luther King, which man is responsible for bringing civil rights to the black people of America. His determination and willpower to end racism brought fruitful results. In end, I want to represent a short point that is, if we have a willpower to do something, and no matter who are you will try each and every option. If you will fail, don't help but ask. To fulfill God-given task, you need sacrifices to obey. No matter who are you. If there is a will, there is a way. If there is a will, there is a way. Thank you and have a great day to all of you.